Kids, come on, let's start. Dear time, drop everything and read. Dear time, no talking in between. You are inside a library. You're going to focus on a book. Today, I don't want you to keep changing the books. Okay? Because in the last 10 minutes, we are going to check something on the book. All right? So we will only keep one book today and read only that book for the whole lecture. Okay? So I'm going to put everybody on mute so we get the feeling that it is silent time and it is drop everything and read. Like we would be in a library, there would be absolute silence, right? I'm going to put everybody on mute so you can feel the silence.
Mute yourself, Ranveer.
तनिष्का तुझं बुक बघून वाच ना इकडे तिकडे बघू नको बाळा you're reading ma you must read your book okay read your own book don't look at others think you're in a school library and you're reading the book read your book प्रणव आज खाली एक ही बुक यूज करना है you will not change the book in between because at the end of the class I'm going to teach something for the last 10 minutes okay okay kids come back बच्चों
बच्चों प्यारे बच्चों
Tanishka, Pranav, come back. Your screen is frozen, which means your network is slow. Okay. Now, each of you are having a book with you, right? Each of you are having a book with you. सबके पास एक एक book है, right? Now, do you know how to find who published this book? ये book किसने publish किया? ये find करने आता है? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
या? चलो प्रणव, फिर तुम पहले अपना book के publication का नाम बताओ.
सुनील पांचा.
Okay. ये कहाँ पे लिखा रहता है? Where is it exactly written? First page. Okay, first page. All right. वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? किसका नाम लिखा है?
सुनील पंचा.
तो वो पब्लिकेशन का नाम है जिसने ये बुक पब्लिश किया, मतलब जिसने इस बुक को प्रिंट किया उसका नाम है, या फिर it is the name of the author, as in the name of the person who wrote the book. What is it?
Publisher.
the name that you just now read, वो उस बुक का ऑथर है, उसने उस बुक को लिखा है, या फिर that is the person who published the book? What is it?
New Saraswati House.
New Saraswati House, correct. That is the name of the publication. Okay, that is the name of the printing house. मतलब इसने इस बुक को प्रिंट किया है, उसका नाम सरस्वती पब्लिकेशन है. रणवीर, can you find the name of the publication in your book? Vihan, where is your book? I want to know the name of the publication in your book. Tanushka, tell me. Yes, you found something. Yes.
Great.
Huh?
It's not there. The publication is not there.
It will always be there. Books usually never get printed without the name of the publication house. It will always be there, no matter which book you read. Look for it either in the front. Listen to me, kids. Look for it either in the front pages. Okay. You will see I have my index starting here. The publication details are here. Okay. In some books, it will be mentioned in the last. In some books, it gets mentioned in the last page. In some books, it will get, wait, Vihan, I'm talking. In some books, it will get printed on the last cover page, on the back cover page.
Ma'am, here it is written in
Vihan, I don't want you to do that. Vihan.
see, ma'am, is this
Publication name, yes.
see, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka. Is that the publication name? Tanishka.
Ma'am, I have-
Yes, Baba. Yes, Subhan, you tell me. Yes, Subhan, you tell me.
New Saraswati.
You are also reading New Saraswati House. Okay, cool. Ranveer, have you found the publication name? See, check.
Is this the publication?
What is it right mentioned? Does it say publication? This is just the, what is this called? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये जो बार है इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Publication.
This is called barcode.
Publication is Alka Publication.
Alka Publication. Yes, very good. Good. Alka Publication is also a well-known publisher.
Ma'am, wait one moment.
Vihan, she will come in sometime. Let's complete this class now. Yes, Ranveer, can I find yours? Did you find?
Oh man, I know the publisher, but I can't find the publication.
You know the publisher? What is written? Who is the publisher? See, in this book that I have. Sorry, what did you say? That must be the author. If it's a person's name, it must be the author.
Ma'am, no, it is a publisher.
See, ma'am.
It's a publisher. Okay, cool.
Ma'am, see.
Tanishka? Yes, fine. Got it. Yes.
Okay.
Now, I also want you to notice something. I want you to notice something called as a copyright. Okay? I want you to notice something called as a copyright.
True copy other rights.
Okay? If you see in your book, there will be one image which looks like this. Can you see it? It will be written copyright. Can you see it?
Ma'am, publisher.
Ma'am, where it is?
Okay, Ranveer, good, you found the publication. Can you all see a copyright written like this? Ranveer, wait. We have gone beyond the publication. Now that you found it, let's look for the next information. Can you find something like this, which is copyright? Can you find something like this which says copyright? You will not, it is not going to come walking to you. You have to look for it in the book. Book में ढूंढो. Yes, Pranav.
So
Text come
Sorry, Pranav, I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
Read it out to you.
my God. Text come workbook.
Pranav, I didn't understand what you
Act
said.
number
Repeat, please. Others quiet. Others quiet. When one
Ma'am,
person is
can I
talking,
read
others quiet.
Oh my God. Text come workbook.
That's okay. See, even I'm having the maths book with me. I can still find the copyright here. I'll tell you where.
Oh my God.
You see this? You see this image? एक C लिखा है और उसके बाहर में circle है. There is a C and then there is a circle around it. That is the logo for copyright. Anywhere that you see a C and a circle around it, that is the logo for copyright. Okay?
They had given
So-
here also name.
Yes, you will see it in all your textbooks. You know what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is that nobody else can copy this book and make a similar one. That nobody has the rights, RIGHTS. No other publication house or no other company has the right to replicate this book. Matlab, no other company has the right to make this kind of book in another place. Only Saraswati House has the right to do this book. Nobody else has the right. That C means copyright. That no one has the right other than the person who owns this book. Yes, Tanishka, you're looking to say something.
ma'am, I got it.
Okay, good. Ranveer, did you get it?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, Subhan,
I
you are
wanted
looking
to
to ask
tell
me something.
something.
Tell me, did you find it?
Yes, ma'am, I have found it. Copyright Act number no part of this publication may reproduce transcribed.
Transcribe.
Book.
Okay.
Ma'am, please, let me read it.
Ma'am, see, ma'am.
All parts of this publication may be reproduced, stored to in a retrievable system or transmitted in any form of by any means, electronic, mechanical,
Okay.
photocopy.
The last one for today.
Recording
Ranveer,
of-
enough. Ranveer, okay. It's time up. The last one for today. When you open the book, it will always mention the person who has written this book. Okay? A person who has written this book. That person
Dr.
is
Mathu.
the author of the book. That person is the author of the
Sunil
book.
Panchal.
Okay? Yes, in your Pranav case, yes, it is Sunil Panchal. Here I have an author here, or it will also mention, sometimes it will also mention people who have helped the person write the book. तो उसके साथ बहुत सारे
Editor.
और भी नाम आते हैं. Editor is a person who
Editor.
edits the
Ma'am,
book.
I have, here is
What
it,
is the editor?
Dr. Madhu Dhawan.
Yes, that is the name of the book. Author, sorry. Now, if you see the math book that I have, see that is the author of this book. Okay? This is the author of this book. This math book, this entire book, ये पूरे pages यहाँ पे कैसे publish करने हैं, क्या आना चाहिए, क्या sums है, ये सब this person has decided. Okay? So today in our dear time, drop everything and read, we learned 3 things. Publisher or publication house, author, and the meaning of copyright. Okay? We understood the meaning of copyright. Now, whenever you read a book, I want you all to look for these 2-3 information that we see. So you will start knowing more and more authors, more and more publication houses. You will also start understanding what different people write under that little C that they have. Copyright में उनको क्या-क्या जानना है, क्या-क्या important है, वो हर book में लिखा रहता है. Okay? चलो, 2-minute break. Let's take a 2-minute break. Wash your eyes and come back.